Father, may I relegate myself outside for merriment?
Is the cleanliness of your chambers satisfactory in accordance with my standards?
In good faith, I believe so.
Then delight in your heart's content.
My love, in all his good faith, I do believe there have been a multitude of mishaps where his memory has failed him. Go procure proper inspection.
Danny! I request your attendance immediately!
Yes, Father?
Why do you sully your good name with such falsehoods?
Is no falsehood, Father. My dwelling is no worse than your chamber.
Little Lord, you forget yourself. Your backside would bear the pain of my strike if I were a lesser man. But alas, my decency is above reproach. Now tidy your quarters and mind your tongue.
Yes, Father.